Yes. See, we are discussing actually trigonometric ratio of 0 degree. Okay. So you have got the idea of this diagram now. Here this one is theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this one is hypotenuse side. So we took the ratio sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosec 0, secant 0, cot 0 degree. Okay. So you have got the idea of sine 0 degree now. Opposite by hypotenuse, that is 0 by AC. 0 by anything is 0. That's why sine 0 is 0. Next to cos 0, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. So we got the result that AC which is equal to AB. That's why AB by AB which is equal to 1. Now tan 0, opposite by adjacent, BC by AB. BC result we got after the coincidence condition, BC result is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Now cosec 0, you can take the reciprocal of this one also, or you can go with this one also. Cosec 0 is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse is AC divided by opposite side is BC. So from this it is clear that AC divided by BC value is 0. So you just observe anything divided by 0 in the sense what is the value first. AC by 0 is what? 0 by AC is 0 only. But AC by 0 is what? If the 0 is in denominator, what result will get? Fatafat, I need the answer. This concept is already discussed in the previous class. That's 1 by 0. Yeah, 1 by 0 is what actually I am asking. If I consider AC is 1 units, then you will get, yeah, Rashmi, give the answer, not defined. Infinity, yes, very good, Soumya. So this is actually, if in the denominator, 0 is there, actually this is called as infinity. We discussed now how to write the infinity. Infinity in the sense not yet defined, not defined. We'll take this value as not defined. So ಇನ್ನುವರೆಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ definition ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, not defined. 1 divided by 0 or any number divided by 0, then it is called as infinity or not defined. Is that clear? So in the table we have to write not defined only. We are taking that value as not defined. Just you have to write not defined. Next, secant 0. Secant 0 is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is AB. Again AC which is equal to AB. So its value is 1. Its value is 1. AC by AB is equal in the sense 1 units, 1 units, 1 by 1 is 1 only. Next, cot 0. Cot 0 is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is AB. Then opposite is BC. Okay, opposite is BC. Opposite is BC only, no? Yes, AB divided by 0. What is the value? Again, in the denominator, 0 is there, not defined. What we have to take? If in the denominator 0 is there, we have to take this as not defined. Is that clear, students? So we got the 6 trigonometric ratios for 0 degree. So sine 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1, tan 0 degree is 0, cosec 0 is not defined in the sense infinity, secant 0 is 1, then cot 0 is not defined again. Is that clear? This is the 6 trigonometric ratios for 0 degree. Now last, so that we have to work out for 90 degree by this method only, same to same method, 90 degree. So we are going to work out 90 degree. I'm not going to erase all these things, just I want to erase this one. Okay, so we'll keep remaining as it is. First, we'll understand the diagram. Here, just we'll write 90 degree. 90 degree, 90 degree, so 90 degree, then 90 degree, secant 90 degree, then cot 90 degree. Okay, so remaining all ready for. So now we'll discuss 90 degree condition. For that, just to take one right angle triangle like last diagram. A, B, C, right angle triangle. Now theta is 90 degree. So now theta is 90 degree. Here we'll mark this angle as theta. Theta is 90 degree in the sense how to change the diagram. Theta we need 90 degree. For 90 degree, what we have to do with that? Okay, AC side, this AC side 90 degree ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು straight ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so what we have to do? So we have to take this 90 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಥೀಟಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಥೀಟಾ ನಂಗೆ 90 ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಹೀಗ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಥೀಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಫುಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಎ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ, ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ when this theta is overlapped with 90 degree? We need 90 degree alva theta, so that's why we are choosing this theta 90 degree here. What happens then? What result you will get, like 0 degree? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ AC ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, ಏನಾಯ್ತು? One second. So we are getting many messages that ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. AC coincide with BC. This AC coincide with BC? Really? Yes, of course. Because AC line ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಧಾನ ಸರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು BC ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ B ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಬಂದು ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ C. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೀಗ್ ಬಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ವಾಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? What result will get? AC which is equal to BC, right? Now AC which is equal to BC, because this AC line which coincide with BC line, right? Therefore AC which is equal to BC. Which distance is 0? Yes, AB is 0. Nodi, AB 0. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? A ಇಂದ B ಗಿರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? AB which is equal to 0. Got the idea now? ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. Is that clear, students? AC BC equal, AB distance 0. Now using this we have to write the 6 trigonometric ratio. For that first we have to take the opposite and adjacent. If this one is theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, then this one is hypotenuse side. Is that clear? Now opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Is any relationship? So AC which is equal to BC. AC BC equal in the sense 1 by 1 which is equal to 1. Is it right, students? AC and BC both are equal. You can take 1 units, 2 units, 3 units, whatever you take, you will get after the simplification 1 only, no? So that's why BC by AC you will get 1. Next, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. So then AB you can observe 0. 0 by anything is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Or you can take this AC is 1 units and BC is 1 units also. That is your choice. Okay, not a problem. So cos 90 is 0. Now tan 90. Tan 90 is opposite by adjacent. BC by AB. BC by AB. Just work out BC by AB. BC 1 units we are going to take. AB 0. 1 by 0 is what? 1 by 0, infinity, not defined. Not defined. Okay, next, hypotenuse by opposite, or you can take this one only, reciprocal only. From reciprocal only will come, okay? Cosec 90. So sin 90 is 1, in the sense 1 by 1 only, that is also 1. Is that clear? Cosec 90 is also 1. So next, cos 90 and sec 90 are one reciprocal to each other, right? Cos 90 is 0. 0 in the sense always in the denominator, 0 by 1. Then this is 1 by 0. Again 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. Is that clear, students? Yes. Next one, last one. See, tan 90 is 1 by 0, then cot 90 is 0 by 1. Cot 90 is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. So you will verify the answer. 1, 0, not defined. 1, not defined. 0. Yes. So our table is right. Is that clear, students? So you have to be careful with one thing. Listen. 0 by anything is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Okay, but 1 by 0 or anything divided by 0. If 0 is in the denominator, don't write the answer as 0. Most of the students, you will write 1 by 0. 1 by 0 in the sense, you will take that one as 0 only. Okay, so don't do that. It is answer is infinity, not defined. Is that clear, students? This is about the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. 6 trigonometric ratios calculation for this specific angles. Now, we have to summarize all these values in one table. So, we have to prepare one table. So, that table is very, very important. Just observe that table. Here we'll take theta. First sine. Okay. Sine theta. Sine theta. Next to cos. Next to tan. Next to cosec. Next to secant. Next to cot. Here first 0 degree. Next 30 degree. Orderly you have to write. Next 45 degree. After 45 degree, 60 degree. Yes, then 90 degree. Is that clear, students? In this way, you have to prepare the table. Here, theta. Okay, theta. See, then sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant, cot. Here, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree. So, how to find out this one? Sine theta and the sine 0, what is the value? Sine 30, what is the value? Sine 45, what is the value? Sine 60, here you have to write the value. Sine 90, here you have to write the value. So then how to write the value? Now only we discussed, now actually we got all the values now. So we have to keep that values in mind. Okay, so then we have to fill this one. Yes, that is one method actually. But we have one trick for that. So what trick we have to apply to write? So first one, for sine we have trick. So for sine only we have trick. Only sine this one, 5 specific angles, we can apply the trick. If you got sine, then easily you will get cos. If you get sine and cos, then usually you will get tan because of the ratio. Then cosec, sec, cot are just nothing but reciprocal of the above 3 ratios, no? So, how to find out the sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90? For that, there is one trick. Okay, to understand the trick, we'll take, I need some space here. 1 second, students, here. Okay, see how to write this one. So, first in 0 place, you take 0. 0 degree, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that clear? So we have to mark 0 as 0, 30 as 1, 45 2, 3, 4. So next for these all, see here sine this one. Only for sine we have to apply this trick. Divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Okay, trick. We are discussing the trick actually. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuous number from 0 we have to take. Then for all the number divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Next last one is we have to apply the root for this. Square root of 0 by 4, square root of 1 divided by 4, square root of 2 by 4, square root of 3 by 4, square root of 4 by 4. This trick we have to apply for the sine value. If you get sine value, then cos value is very easy. Yes, can we start the sine 0 degree calculation? Sine 0 degrees, square root of 0 by 4. Square root of 0 by 4. Square root of 0 is 0 only. Square root of 4 is 2. 0 by 2 in the sense, what is the answer actually? 0. Is that clear? Sine 0 is 0. Is that clear, students? Next, sine 30. We are going to discuss sine 30. Sine 30 value is square root of 1 divided by 4. Can you remove the square root of 1 divided by 4 here? Square root of 1 by 4. Both are perfect square numbers. Square root of 1 is 1 only. Square root of 4 is 2. What is the answer here? 1 by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Is it clear? Yes, you can verify your answer also. Next, square root of 2 by 4. Square root of 2 by 4. So 2 is not a perfect square number, so we'll write it as square root of 2 only. Divided by square root of 4. If we remove this one, what is the answer? Root 2 divided by 2. Is it clear? Root 2 divided by 2. Answer is root 2 divided by 2. Right now, students? Yes? What is the answer for that? How can we simplify further? Root 2 divided by 4. Can we simplify further? Yes, what is the answer for that?
1 by root.
Yeah, 1 by root 2, right? But how to get that 1 by root 2? This one we discussed in the earlier. See, root 2 divided by 2 we got now actually. Root 2 divided by 2. But you can observe in the textbook that 1 by root 2 is there. Mataji, how to get 1 by root 2? Very simple. That day we discussed rationalization of the denominator method. Root 2. How to write 2 in the form of? Can I write it as root 2 into root 2? Yes, root 2 into root 2. We can take this as root 2 whole square. Then square root get cancelled. 2 is remaining. So, you can write 2 in the form of root 2 into root 2. Now, root 2 get cancelled. Answer is 1 by root 2. Okay, so root 2 by 2. So, we can write it in the form of 1 by root 2. Got the idea of this one, students? See, very careful. In 45 degree, you have to be very careful. Sine 45. So, in the beginning, after removing the square root of 2 by 4, you will get actually root 2 by 2. But you never observe that root 2 by 2 in the table, right? Root 2 by 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So then you have to think further. So how to get that one? Root 2 by 2. This 2 may be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So that's why we are taking 2 in the form of root 2 into root 2. So root 2 get cancelled 1 by root 2. So here you got the answer as 1 by root 2. Is that clear, students? Yes. Next, root 3 by 4. Here I'll explain. Square root of root 3 divided by 4. Root 3 as it is divided by root 4 in the sense 2. So root 3 by 2, did you observe this one? Root 3 divided by 2. So here also can we do any modification? No. Root 3 divided by 2, it is fixed. Already we observed in the calculation that. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 only, it is right. Now sine 90 degree, that is square root of 4 by 4. Square root of 4 by 4 in the sense 2 by 2. 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Is that clear, students? This is the trick to write the sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. See here, sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Keep it in mind, sine 45 na ನೀವು 1 by root 2 ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಹೌ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 45 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 2 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Is that clear, student? So this is the trick to write the sine value. Now using this sine value, you can easily write the cos value. Hege, just 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1, ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್. ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಸೈನು ಕಾಸು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್. So can you do that one? Yes, very simple. Yes. So we will erase this one. Yeah. So how can you write? So how can you write tan 0 by 1? Here only you can observe, no? From this only you can observe. Sin divided by cos is equal to tan. Then 0 divided by 1 is 0. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Next 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So next reciprocal na imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So reciprocal imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 cancel. Answer is 1 by root 3. Right now 1 by root 3. Next here 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, in the sense root 2 by 1 after the reciprocal. Root 2 get cancelled, 1 get cancelled. Answer is 1. Right now? Yes. Next one. So next one is direct calculation also you can do. Root 3 by 2 that divided by, so 1 by 2 in the sense reciprocal is 2 by 1. 2 get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is root 3 only. So next 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. Is that clear, students? Sin, cos, tan. So it is very simple now. So only sin you have to write properly. If you write sin properly, then exactly reverse value is cos. Then ratio of sin and cos which gives the tan ratio. If these three lines are perfect, then cosec, sec and cot you can easily write. So now can you try cosec? So can you try cosec? Yes, cosec value. Cosec value is exactly the reciprocal of sin value. So sin is 0. So then what is the cosec value? Yes, what is cosec 0? I'm waiting for your answer. What is cosec 0, students? Sin is 0. 0 by 1 in the sense 1 by 0. Yes, not defined. Not defined. Why it is not defined? Because sin 0 is 0. Andre 0 by 1 irutte. Adre ulta 1 by 0. Not defined. Yes, next here. So 30 degree bariri 1 by 2 ide. Cosec andre adre ulta 2 by 1 andre 2. Correct? Yes. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by root 2 ಇದೆ. 1 by root 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 2 by 1. root 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next root 3 by 2 ಇದೆ. That is 2 by root 3. Next 1 ಇದೆ. 1. Is that clear? Very simple. Fatafat we finished cosec. Next same way secant will finish. Secant exactly reciprocal of cos. See, while writing you have to be very careful. Sin, then cos, then tan, then cosec, then secant, then cot. Now secant is a reciprocal of cos. Cos ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. 1 by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. Next root 3 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 divided by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 that is root 2 by 1 that is root 2 only. 1 by 2 that is 2 by 1 2 only. So next 0 by 1 in the sense 1 by 0 that is not defined. Not defined. Is that clear, students? Yes, this is about the secant. Cot. Cot is exactly reciprocal of this one. So tan 0 is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Understand? 0 by 1. So then cot is 1 by 0. Not defined. Not defined. Not defined. Okay. Next here cot 1 by root 3. Root 3 by 1. So 1 only. Then Root 3 by 1 is there, 1 by root 3. Next here. So tan here not defined in the sense, what is that? Not defined antandre divided by 0 irutte anta artha. So 0 divided by anything is 0. Is that clear? Yes, this is about the table. Once you just verify. Yes, Soumya Bhatt. What is your answer? 2. What is that 2? Yes, we finished the table part. Now you can discuss your doubts. Is it clear, students? This is about the table we prepared. What we calculated from the 10, 15, no? 10, 15 we are working for that 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 0 degree, 90 degree. Fatafat we summarize that in one particular table. From this you can easily identify. So you can prepare the chart of this one, or no need to by heart this one. After practicing, after solving many problems, you are able to give the answer. Okay, so that is cos 0 on the 1, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 90 0. So you have to practice. After practice you can remember. Otherwise no need to by heart this one. On in a direct on spot, wherever you want, just prepare that sign value. Then using that sign value you can connect all these. To get the sign value, what trick we have to apply? Just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to give the continuous name. Then divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Then apply square root, square root, square root, square root, square. Then remove the square root. That's it. Remove the square root. So 0, 1 by 2. Only here you have to be very careful. So because here when we remove the square root, root 2 divided by 2 you will get, but root 2 divided by 2 it is not in your value actually, but you have to think further. Root 2 by 2, then how can we simplify? Root 2 by 2 in the sense 2 we can write it in the form of root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is also equal to 2. So from that method you will get 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2, then 1. Then whatever you are writing in this slide, no, opposite side you have to write. Ulta, idanne hige ulta ee kade barbitre you will get cos. Then division, you will get tan. Then exactly either a reverse cosec, either a reverse secant, then third line a reverse cot. Is that clear, students? If you are having any confusion related to this trigonometric ratio for specific angles, you can ask now. Fatafat. Raise your hands. Topic is very interesting, no? Actually. So today we learned many things. New concepts. Yes. So yes, do you have any doubts, students? If you are not having any doubts, then we'll discuss one simple problem. Then I can give the homework. Yes, fatafat. Do you have any confusion related to this? How to prepare the table? Actually, many tricks are there to remember this table. If it is possible, tomorrow I'm going to tell one more trick, okay? So many tricks are there, finger tricks are there, how to write. Only trick is sign value only. Sign value, by writing sign value only you can fill the table. But many tricks are there. This is the one trick actually. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4 root, applying the root. This is only one trick. Tomorrow I'll tell the remaining two tricks. Many tricks. Okay, so if you search in the internet, you will get many tricks there. But no need to remember all the tricks, otherwise it will be confusing. Okay, so fix for one trick. Any one trick you fix. Otherwise, by practice, you just learn all the values and fix it in mind. So that is the method. Is that clear, students? Yes. Okay. Any confusion? If you are having any confusion, we'll discuss now. No confusion. Everything is clear. Okay, practice this table. So yes, in the sharing part. This one, no, Akshay? Yeah, this table is very important. See here, this table, it is 11.1 table in your textbook. So write this one in the proper way. If you want the calculation of that above 0 degree calculation, 45 degree calculation, that also you can write it in your notes. Okay, yes, then this table you have to write neatly. So now you just observe one example problem there. Example problem. Yes, we'll discuss one example problem, then we'll end the class. Okay, so you just open your textbook and see that first example problem in a triangle ABC. Can I rub this one? Yes, this is in your textbook. You can see that one. Tomorrow I'll give one more trick for that. Yeah, one problem we'll discuss. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, right angled at B, right angled at B, AB is equal to 5 centimeter and angle ACB is 30 degree. See, this is the triangle. Triangle A, B, C. Right angled at B. They have given right angled at B. No, AB is 5 centimeter. AB is 5 centimeter. Then angle ACB is 30 degree. Angle ACB is 30 degree. Yes. So determine the lengths of the sides BC and AC. To find what we have to find here, BC side and AC side measurement. BC side measurement and AC side measurement we have to find. Only one side measurement is given and one angle ACB is 30 degree is given. Which concept we have to use for this type of problem? Can anyone try to give the answer for this question? BC beku, AC beku. How can we find? Here we cannot use Pythagoras theorem because only one side is available. So then how can we find out? Just now we learned trigonometric ratios for some specific angles, right? Yes. Sri Harsha gave the answer. Tan 30. Tan 30. Why you choose tan 30 only, Sri Harsha? Why we have to use tan 30 degree only?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes. Speak.
Because opposite side is given.
Opposite side is given. Yes, very good, Sri Harsha. So opposite side is given. If this is 30 degree, this side is opposite and this one is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So already opposite side is given. Here 30 degree is given. So we can apply tan 30. No? Yes. Tan 30 degree, which is equal to, formula is ratio is opposite by adjacent. Opposite side name is AB divided by adjacent is BC. Correct, no? Yes, AB divided by BC. What is the value of tan 30, students? First, fatafat, tan 30. Tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? Look at the textbook. You are having tan 30, no? Yes, 1 by root 3. You just substitute tan 30 as 1 by root 3, which is equal to AB by BC. AB measurement is given, that is 5, divided by BC is unknown. BC is unknown. That one we have to work out now. Yes, now we got the value of BC. Just to do the cross multiplication. BC into 1 is BC, which is equal to 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3. We got the measurement of BC as 5 root 3. Yes, BC is 5 root 3. Now we have to work out for AC. How can you find out AC? Fatafat, who is ready to give the answer for AC? How can we find out AC? Yes, sine 30. Rashmi gave the answer. Sine 30. How sine 30? Sine in the sense opposite by hypotenuse. Again, opposite side is given. Hypotenuse we have to find out. For that, opposite by hypotenuse in the sense 30 degree. Sine 30 degree we can choose. Sine 30 degree. So now for some students are telling Pythagoras theorem also. Yeah. Pythagoras theorem also you can apply, but easiest method is applying the sine 30 degree. That is your choice. Okay, sine 30, in that you can easily cover that opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is given. We have to find out hypotenuse. So for some students I think this is the question, Mataji tan A ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin A ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ now sin 30 degree, one data is given, one is unknown, that's why we are choosing sin 30 degree here. Sin 30 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is opposite side name is AB, directly we substitute the value 5 divided by hypotenuse name is AC. Okay, what is the value of sin 30 students? What is the value of sin 30? Fataphot you have to tell. 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by AC. Now do the cross multiplication. AC into 1 is AC, which is equal to 5 2s are 10. Is that clear, students? 10. Yes, 10. Very simple. Is that clear? How to find out the unknown? Two sides, only one side is given and one reference angle is given. It is very simple. 1 second, students. Yes. So got the idea of the first question now, students? Yes, in the second example you just observe, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PQ is 3 cm, QR is 6 cm, determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. Here two sides measurement is given, you have to find out the angles. So how to find out the angles for that? So we'll draw the diagram first. PQR triangle. Okay, this is 90 degree. So then this is 3 centimeter and this one is 6 centimeter. It is given. What we have to find actually here to find is angle QPR and angle PRQ. Angle QPR and angle PRQ. Here we what trick we can apply? Yes, which concept we can apply here? Which concept we can use here? Yes, Fatafat, tell me. Which concept we can use here? Hello, no one is ready? Two sides given. 3 and 6. So 3 divided by 6. Just observe. So which concept we can use here? Which concept? I'm giving hint actually. 3 divided by 6. Fatafat. Hello? You're not getting the idea? Yes, sin. Okay, sin. Henge sin. Ilodi. For example, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ angle PRQ ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್, ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್, ಇದು ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್. ನೌ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? PQ divided by PR, which is equal to PQ divided by PR, which is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 6. So next, how can we take that one? 3 divided by Soumya, Karthik. So why you are telling sign only? Sign. Why it is sign only? Because opposite by hypotenuse is the ratio of sign only, right? Opposite by hypotenuse. So that is sin theta only. But theta is unknown, right? Theta is unknown. Now you just observe 3 1s are 3 2s are. So what we got actually? Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 we got. Sin theta is 1 by 2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ 1 by 2 ಇದೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ sin ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 ಇದೆ. For which angle it is 1 by 2? For sin 30 degree. So for sin 30 degree answer is 1 by 2. So sin 30 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2. So that's why this angle is 30 degree. So which angle that one? Angle PRQ is equal to 30 degree. Now this one is 30 degree. How can we find out the remaining one? Using angle sum property also you can find no 90-30. Can you guess QPR, or you can apply any method for that? Yes. Hmm? Cos P. Yeah, reverse. Cos P also you can use. Yes, you just observe that example problem in your book. Okay, so example 6 and example 7 and example 8 is also there. Example 8 we'll discuss tomorrow. So now today's homework is second exercise. Now you are able to work out second exercise. Almost all the problems are very easy. If you have one trigonometric values table, you are able to solve all the second exercise problems. Okay, so second exercise is homework. You just complete that homework. Okay, so then we'll meet you in the next class.